Hey guys, we're going to do an unboxing of our new Optima battery. See it in there a little bit. This battery we're going to use for our contour. I won this battery at the QA1 Summer Street Nationals cruise, and I just finally ordered it, and it didn't take very long. So nicely packaged, nice top. I like that. That looks really good. Directions in there. Some more foam, and there we are. It's just a nice two-post 34 series battery, yellow top. I went with, you know, good cold cranking amps, but still in a relatively small size. So, and yellow top's kind of middle of the road. It can do kind of a little bit of everything. So I really look forward to putting this in the contour and testing it out next year. Thank you, Optima. Thank you, QA1.